Problem 2-76. James is painting his 10 by 8 foot bedroom wall that contains a 2 by 3 foot window. A. Draw a diagram of his wall and window. B. How many square feet of wall does he need to paint? In the directions, we're given one wall. So the bedroom wall that he wants to paint is a 10 by 8 foot. However, the same wall has a 2 by 3 foot window. So go ahead and draw a diagram ahead of me. So pause the video. So in the diagram, you need to have the wall and the window. So we're going to assume those are rectangular, and you can place the window anywhere you want. But I wouldn't put it on the ground, right? So draw your James basically wall. Now we're also being asked that how many square feet of wall he needs to paint. So that makes me think that we cannot paint the actual window. That's why we need those measurements. So in my diagram, I drew the wall, like I made it like gray out, rectangle. So I'm gonna write the dimensions. So it's at 10 by 8. So I'm gonna go 10 for the length and 8 for the width. And of course it's in feet. So if they said foot, so I'm gonna say FT. And then the window measurement, so I made it blue, so it's like it's very nice and bright outside. So let's see, and you don't have to, of course. So it's gonna be 3 by 2, and that's in feet. So this is just a diagram. So he's going to be painting the wall. So we're not gonna paint over the window. So if I wanted to paint the wall green, I would be painting around that, right? So you're not gonna paint the window. So in this case, so the area, it has to do all with area. So we need to find what's the gap that he's not supposed to paint. So I'm like pretending to paint in green. So I messed up on the outside of the, okay, so that's kind of the idea. So I'm going to find the area of the whole wall. So we have a 10 by 8, so area of wall. So remember, we want to multiply the length times the width. We have a rectangle, so it's going to be 10 feet by 8 feet. So that's going to give me 80 square feet, so FT to the power of 2. So this is all of it if I was going to do the whole wall and the window, right? So all of it. Now we don't want to paint the window, so I'm gonna find the windows area. So area of window. So the area of window, actually go ahead and find it on your own. We have the measurement, so 3 feet by 2 feet. So you're gonna have a number in square feet. That's for the window. Now to find how much he needs to paint is you're gonna find the difference. So the difference means subtract. So we want to have that gap, so nobody would be painting there. So we're gonna, I'm gonna have you finish that on your own, but the idea is area of the whole wall minus area of the window will give you area of where you need to paint. So go ahead and finish that on your own.